Okay, so I'm working on my toad in rainy weather. I'm trying to get this eerie yellowish greenish light, which I think basically is not so bad at the moment. And I'm just going to show you how I color one of the toadstools, I think they're called. This is, by the way, walnut brown, polychromos. By far my favorite pencil, the polychromos. And the next color I will use, is, where is it? Here. A Van Dyke brown. It's just a little bit lighter than walnut brown. I don't know if my phone is focusing really well. Sorry. Actually, don't think it is. This is my first video ever. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the next one is, let's see. Nope. There we are. Nougat. Which is a bit of cold light brown color. You don't see a lot happening, probably, but in the end the idea is to have a lighter part, which I leave white for now, and then the darker part, which is the walnut, goes to walnut brown at the left side, and maybe also on the right side or at the bottom of the thing. But that has to, I don't know, show itself first, if it's needed or not. And for the eerie light, I won't make this an endless video, so I'll just show you that I add a bit of, I don't know, mustard green something. And this is a Marker Raffine, which is, I don't know, not very bad, certainly not, but it's incomparable to the polychromos, as the polychromos are, I don't know, you can just layer endlessly with those, and with the Raffines your paper somehow says, okay, well, that's it, thank you, after, I don't know, 4 layers tops. Okay, I don't think that the color really shows on my video, but hey, I tried. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish this and come back to you with the finished painting drawing in the end. Thank you. Bye.